If you have been wanting to learn sign language to communicate with someone, but are not sure how or where to start, then you found the right place. I'm here to help you get started on the right track. First, I want you to envision your calendar 2 months from now. Do you see what I'm seeing? Your calendar shows you knowing the basics of sign language. That's amazing. I created these online sign language courses for beginners, just for you. Imagine if you started the course today, you would know over 500 of the most common signs and how to use them in day-to-day conversations. Who is this course for? If you're a teacher working with special needs students, sign will certainly come in handy. If you're homeschooling, you need a foreign language credit. If you're losing your hearing, young or old, it's good to learn now and start getting your loved ones involved. If your child or student is nonverbal, you'll also be able to provide another mode of communication. If you have a family member or a friend that is deaf or hard of hearing, you'll be able to have conversations. If you're a speech pathologist, therapist, or professional and need to brush up on your skills, this course is for you. If you have found out your child is deaf or hard of hearing, the family can learn sign language together. If you're just wanting to learn another language, then let's get you started. This is a language anyone can use and enjoy. Yes, anyone. Yes, you. I bet you're excited to get started. Your next step is to sign up for the courses. I'm looking forward to joining you on your sign language journey.